What's up, guys? Terra Classic is starting to pump like crazy. Let's check it out. Alright, so here we go. Terra Classic. Look at this huge green daily candle. And yeah, yesterday I made a video when we were down here saying we just broke through this resistance here at about 15. So we're likely to see this pump continue all the way up to 20. I said our next resistance is around 20. And that's what we've pumped right up to. So looks like it's turning out just as predicted. Now we'll see if this resistance gives us any trouble here. This resistance didn't do much. We went through this. I mean, we're pretty much just going straight up. Resistance is not stopping us, and this is starting to look pretty parabolic. So yeah, if we can close this candle above 21 or so, then we could see this pump really get even crazier and crazier. The more resistance we break through, the crazier it's going to get. And this is a big one. If we get through this resistance, we don't have more resistance until like 45. So we could see another massive green candle. So yeah, if we break through this, we could see this pump really get massive. And I mean, it's probably going to just get more and more parabolic, and then at some point we're going to see a big red candle, kind of like back here, just straight up and then back down. So nobody knows exactly how high it's going to go, but we have some resistance here. If we get rejected at this, then we might go a bit sideways here and then maybe take another attempt and break through. But if we can close this candle above this resistance, then we could just keep going straight up. So I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, this one turned out exactly how we thought. We broke through this and then just kept pumping, and this is amazing. I mean let's see how far we've gone up. So from down here up to the top of this pump, 159%. So that's crazy, 159% gain. So congrats, guys. I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, then you're a Terra Classic holder. And yeah, I've been telling everybody to buy during my videos. This whole time down here I was saying buy Terra Classic because I think we're gonna have, because the price is flat and boring, that's when the big moves happen. Just like back here, flat and boring, huge move. Said I think that's coming again. I literally made a video right here titled "Your Last Chance to Buy Terra Classic," and it turned out to be exactly true. A few days later, boom, huge pump has started, and possibly this pump could, we might be pumping all the way up until the 1.2% burn gets implemented, because people are buying this in anticipation of that event now that we know it's going to be implemented middle of September. So could get pretty crazy. Could be crazy the next few weeks. We might see a few dips. I don't know if this is just going to go straight up for the next 2 to 3 weeks. We probably have a few dips, but yeah, potentially we could just keep pumping for the next couple weeks. We'll see. Right now it's looking amazing, and this is crazy because we're in the middle of a bear market right now, and we're seeing 159% gains in just like a week and a half. That this does not happen during bear market. So this is very weird, and this is extremely bullish sign. Like, if Terra Classic is pumping this much during a bear market, imagine once crypto goes back into a bull market, then we could really see some insane gains and possibly get up to like a cent and eventually maybe even $1 within the next 3 years as we go into another bull market. So yeah, like I'm saying, look at Bitcoin. We're in a huge bear market. Everything's going down. Bitcoin's been going down in the past few weeks, and as Bitcoin's going down, Terra Classic is going straight up. So it's pretty amazing. And as long as Bitcoin holds above support at 19, Terra Classic should just keep going straight up. If Bitcoin breaks below 19,000 support and does a huge dump, that might stifle this pump a little bit, but so far so good. Bitcoin's holding up. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, looking at the volume just keeps going up too. It's up another 64%. Now we're up to 644 million in 24-hour volume. So that's some crazy volume, and you can burn a lot of Terra Classic with that kind of volume. With that volume, you could burn like 1 trillion tokens in just a couple months, most likely. So yeah, if we maintain this high volume, 600 million, and this is probably going to go even higher. Like once we actually get a few days away from the 1.2% burn being implemented, we could potentially see volume up to 1 billion or maybe even in the billions. And then if that happens right after the 1.2% burn is implemented, we could immediately see some insane burns, hundreds of billions, and maybe even take off 1 trillion in supply within a month if we maintained really high volume. So, possibly we could see this go up to like a cent within a year if things went really well. Potentially even $1 if everything went perfectly and volume stayed super high. But I think if crypto goes back into a bull market soon, then maybe we could get to $1 within a year. But most likely, I think $1 is going to take at least a few years. But still, if it gets to $1, then what? We've already over doubled our money in just the last week or so. So if you had like $100 in this a week ago, now you're up to over $200. And so if you're holding like $216 of Terra Classic now, and we get to $1, then that's $1 million. So even if that takes a few years, I don't think we're gonna mind that. It's still gonna be crazy. And yeah, market cap was at $1 billion yesterday. Now we're up to 1.4 billion. So anyways, it's just crazy that Terra Classic is pumping like this during a bear market. That's an extremely bullish sign. So congrats to everyone making money. That's why we cover Terra Classic on this channel, because we like making money. So we cover the cryptos that are going to give us the big gains. We got 159% gain right here. So looking amazing. I'll keep you guys updated on these resistance levels, and if we can expect another huge leg up, or if we might possibly see a little correction here. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully this candle can close above this resistance here, and the next resistance is not until 45, so we could see an insanely massive pump if that happens. So yeah, let me know your guys' price predictions, and yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and share this video so everybody can find out about Terra Classic and get in before this burn happens. So thank you so much for watching till the very end, guys. You guys are awesome, and I'll see y'all later.